ever woke up and you think you had a dream but you really didn't? Or you either had a dream but then you forgot? I was confused. It's like I wanted to think about the dream that I had, but I couldn't think about the dream because I couldn't remember the dream, but I knew I had a dream. Life, I tell you. Crazy. As y'all can see, I made some oatmeal because I did not feel like making any breakfast. I did add some peanut butter to this. Shit hot, boy. So I've been thinking about enhancing my simplistic life. Like right now, I feel like I live simple in the sense of I don't be buying a whole bunch of shit. But now I need to go more towards a minimal type lifestyle. Get rid of some of the stuff that I have, declutter, get rid of some of the clothes I haven't used in years. I'm gonna be looking around my apartment and figuring out how can I declutter, what can I get rid of. So I'm looking into building like a capsule. I don't know if you ever heard of a capsule, but that's whenever you have a set amount of clothes and colors and you just build off that capsule, or you just wear what's in that capsule and you don't have to worry about what to wear and stuff like that. So I realized some of the most successful people live a minimal lifestyle. Alright, so I'm about to declutter this area right here because it has a whole bunch of stuff. Honestly, this record player probably can go. I'm gonna probably keep my record, just put it in a crate. Some of this stuff don't need to be out. I don't know why I have this. It just look extra cluttered. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I wanna get rid of this and just put a plant here. And then over here in this drawer, it's a whole bunch of crap. So I'm gonna clean that out. But also my closet. So as y'all know, I'm trying to minimalize my wardrobe a little bit more, so sticking to more, you know, my blacks, whites, grays, navies, you know, type of shirts. But I gotta get rid of some of these. But yeah, what I noticed is a lot of times when we have clothes, or, you know, thinking about a wardrobe, we're thinking about, oh, this would look good with this set of shoes, or this outfit would go good. But don't be thinking about the outfit itself. Like, for example, this shirt, it can only go with one, maybe two outfits. Like this. Why do I have this up here? Like, this is from Next Up. John Coltrane record, you know what I'm saying? I'm actually do this. Let me see if this thing still works. I ain't cut this thing on in so long. It still works. But honestly, I don't need this record player out here because I don't use it. Right here, I don't know. See why I got all this stuff up here, bro? This is a harmonica. I don't even know how to play the harmonica. Over here. If y'all like running, I would suggest getting one of these right here. It's like a vest thing. And you put it on, and then now you have a place you can put your phone in here. Put your keys. I put my shades right here, but when I run, I put my shades on. Yeah. So I'm putting all this stuff in here, and yeah, this is leaving. It has to go. I loved it right there. But look what I found. I'm in here somewhere in this magazine. Hey, back when I was a student at the University of South Carolina. Damn, my shit wrinkly. They could have told me my sport coat was wrinkly though. Also, when it comes to my shoes, I have a whole bunch that I don't really use like that. Like these bad boys, I don't use these. I use my Nikes. I barely wear my Jordans, but since they are Jordans, I'ma keep them. I'ma keep them. I always need a pair of Vans. Let's see my Adidas here. Nike's here. I don't wear these Roshi ones no more. I barely wear Concords, but I'm gonna keep those. That's the thing that I was trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out, like, yo, if you could hit and no emotions be tied, that's a different story. But I feel like that ain't a different story. Yeah, I feel like she digging the kid a little too much. It's time to show y'all my new whip now. I gotta show y'all my new whip. Where is my sliders, yo? With my slide. Okay, here they go. Yeah, this is my whip, y'all. My new baby, my Audi A3. Hot out here. Let me pull this shade down here a little bit. But what I love about this car so far, the drive on this car is superb. I could barely even talk about it. Picks up real quick. Like, as soon as I press on the gas, I be man. So I'm gonna try not to get a ticket. Next week I'm gonna get the windows tinted, so that's coming soon. I love this infotainment system. It does have Apple CarPlay, which my old car didn't. You use this to control everything. As you can see, you can control it that way. Come here, get that view, get the app view. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this controls everything. Here you can put it in sport mode. You can go to manual mode by clicking it over to the right. Good arm space, not that bad for a smaller car. Also, another thing I like is with this monitor right here. Let's say you're driving and you don't want it up, you can just press this button right here and it automatically go down, and you don't have to worry about it, and then press it again if you want to pop back up on you. But yeah, I'm about to burn up out here, but that's the interior, you know what I'm saying? Just wanted to show y'all real quick. But yeah, I love this car, and this, I love that it's a net right here, so it's still open. If you don't want all the breeze and all the sunlight to get in, you just put this net open and it's still out, and then that's cool. So let me put this back on, and then of course this is a little tinted, and then you put the net over it, and then there we go. Audi know what they doing. But yeah, let me
Your cell phone is still in the
get on out of here because I'm about to start sweating. Alright, got this, got my keys. I gotta go with these today because of my outfit. Matter of fact, let me show y'all the drip today. Something slight, you know, this ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? Got the loafers on today. You know, subtle drip. Subtle drip. Nothing too much. Just something slight, light. Alright, I done made it back in. So, my plant, as you probably can see, is not that big. But I was thinking about getting a floor plant, but you know what I'm saying, I needed some type of greenery in here, and the floor plants cost like $99 and they was kind of high, so I got this little plant right here. Don't laugh. Hey Siri, turn off the lights.
You got it.
So yeah, this little plant right here. I don't think it look bad in that corner. So see, I got my couch here. I'm having a little plant over there. Bam! Now, let's see how long it lasts, because I don't know if I still had that green thumb I used to have back in the day. But nah, I don't know, dog. We gonna see. But anyway, that's it for this video, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all for watching. If you made it this far, go ahead, click that like button, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, you know what I'm saying? And you know, please continue to watch these videos, because watch time is what gets the videos up. Not subscribing, not liking, it's watch time. Watch time. Y'all remember that. So if y'all watch my videos, watch it all the way through. Just let it play. Just let it play. You know what I'm saying? That help people out. But I'll catch y'all next video.